Okay, go.
This is hard. No, Charlie.
Did it hurt your boobs?
You kind of gotta act like a little cat.
You were gonna break my guitar.
And everything over there.
Daddy, seriously move away from the guitar. That costs like $300.
Melissa, he knows. He's the one that bought it.
He's gonna fall backwards and break it.
Charlie!
Randy.
You try.
No, I'm too scared.
Watch out for that tail. She just went.
Move! That's like right in your face.
Miranda.
Hey, go get the ball. Charlie, go get the ball. Okay, go.
I know, he's gonna attack me once I fall.
There you go.
Charlie, you're so cute.
Come here.
Go!
Charlie. Charlie. Oh, come on. Lay down, words. Do it. Try to balance. Balance.
I can.
Balance. Slowly. Slowly.
Charlie?
Charlie, watch out. Move.
And don't try to fall. That last one you tried to fall.
I can't balance.
Okay, we're gonna try it again.